Hello everyone, welcome to E-Class. My name is Madhu and today I am going to teach you maths. Today we are going to revise chapter 6 division. What is division? Division means to equally divide group of object. It is also termed as repeated subtraction. As you can see here in picture, we are dividing 6 pencils in two groups. And when we divide 6 pencils in two groups, we will get 3 pencils in each group, which is equal. Let's revise some terms related to division. Dividend. The number that is to be divided, we call it dividend. The second term is divisor. The number by which the dividend is divided, we call it divisor. The third term is quotient. The answer or the result that we get after the division, we call it quotient. Remainder. The number that is left after division is called the remainder. Let's revise some properties related to division. Division by one property. If we divide any number by 1, the quotient, or you can say the answer, is the number itself. For example, 7542 divided by 1 equal to 7542. Property number 2. Division by itself property. When we divide a number itself, we get the answer or the quotient is 1. For example, 275 divided by 275 is equal to 1. Division any number by zero property. Division of a number by zero is meaningless. When we divide a number by zero, we didn't get any answer. Property number 4. Division of 0 by any number property. 0 divided by a number gives 0 as the quotient. For example, 0 divided by 25 equal to 0. Dividing a number ending in zeros by 10, 100 or 1000. While dividing a number ending zeros by 10, we remove one zero from the dividend. For example, 830 divided by 10 equal to 83. Similarly, when we divide a number ending in zeros by 100, we remove two zeros from the dividend. For example, 45,000 divided by 100 equal to 450. Similarly, when we divide a number ending in zeros by 1000, This time we remove 3 zeros from the dividend. For example, 75,000 divided by 1,000 equal to 75. Dividing a number not ending in zeros. In previous topic, we divided the numbers where both numbers having zeros. Here we are going to learn to divide a number not ending in zeros. While dividing by 10, the remainder will be the digit that is in the ones place and number formed by the remaining digit of the dividend will be the quotient. For example, 34 divided by 10. Here the number at the ones place is 4. So 4 is going to be our remainder and rest of the numbers is going to be the quotient, which is 3. While dividing by 100, the remainder will be the digit in the tens and ones place and number formed by the remaining digits of the dividend will be the quotient. For example, 1456 divided by 100. Here the last two numbers, the digits which is on tens and ones place are going to be the remainder, which are 56, 5, 6. And rest of the number, which is 1, 4, 14, is going to be our quotient. While dividing by 1000, the remainder will be the digit in 100, tens and ones place. A number formed by the remaining digit of the dividend will be the quotient. 6578 divided by 1000. So here remainder are going to be the digits which are on 100, tens and ones place, which is 578, and rest of the number, which is 6, is going to be the quotient. Let's revise long division method. 8764 divided by 4. Here the digit which is on 1000 place is divisible by 4. So here 4 twos are 8. 8 subtracted from 8, here we get 0. The second digit which is on 100 place is going to come down, which is 7. 7 is not divisible by 4. The nearest smaller number which is divisible by 4 is 4 itself. So here 4 ones are 4. After subtraction of 7 and 4, here we get 3. The next number which is on tens place is 6. It will come down. Now we have number 36, which is exactly divisible by 4 by 9 times. Now the last number is 4, which is divisible by 1. So 4 ones are 4, and here we are left with 0 remainder. So here the quotient is 2100 91. This is the answer of this divide. Let's do one more question, one more division by using long division method. 258 divided by 9. Here the first digit is 2, which is smaller than 9. So now we are going to move to the next digit. Now together we have 25, which is not divisible by 9. The nearest smaller number which is divisible by 9 is 18. So here 9 twos are 18. After subtraction of 18 from 25, we are left with 7. The next digit which is on ones place is going to come down, which is 8. Now we have the number 78, which is not divisible by 9. The nearest number which is divisible by 9 is 72. So here 9 eights are 72. 78 minus 72 equal to 6. So in this question we are left with remainder 6 and quotient 28. Our next topic is checking division. There is a formula which helps us to check that our divide is right or wrong. And the formula is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let's do one quotient where we are going to use this formula to check our division. Here, after dividing 649 by 9, we get 72 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Let's put the values in the formula and let's find our division is right or wrong. So here dividend is 649 equal to 9, which is our divisor, into 72, which is our quotient, plus 1, which is our remainder. 9 into 72 equal to 648. 648 plus 1 equal to 649, which is exactly equal to our dividend. Let's do one word problem related to division. And our question is the total fare of 12 train ticket from city A to city B is rupees 9,900. Find the fare of one ticket. Here the fare of 12 ticket is given and we have to find the fare of one ticket. For this we are going to divide the fare of 12 ticket by 12. So our first statement is total fare of 12 train ticket equal to rupees 9,900. Fare of one train ticket equal to rupees 9,900 divided by 12. equal to rupees 825. Therefore, the fare of one ticket is 825. Our next topic is framing word problems. Here, the number which is given is 1234 divided by 14. According to this division, we have to form a word problem. And here we can form a word problem as how many boxes are required to pack 1234 chocolates if 14 chocolates are packed in one box. You can form a different kind of word problems by using a same quotient. Let's revise the next topic, which is estimating the quotient. We can estimate a quotient by rounding of the numbers, which we already learned in chapter 1. Estimate the quotient to the nearest tens. 475 divided by 58. So here we can round up 475 as 480 and nearest tens of 58 is 60. So 480 divided by 60 equal to 8. So estimated quotient is 8 here. Let's move to our last topic of this chapter, which is unitary method. First of all, let's revise what is unitary method. A unitary method is the method in which the value of a unit quantity, the value of quantity 1, is first derived and then find the value of any required quantity. Here we first of all find the value of one quantity, and according to that we find the required value of required quantity. Let's do one question related to this topic. Saurav earned rupees 9,600 in 8 days. How much will he earn in 15 days? In this question, first of all, we are going to find Saurav earning in 1 day. And according to that, we are going to find the earning of Saurav in 15 days. So here our first statement is Saurav earning in 8 days equal to rupees 9,600. Saurav earning in 1 day equal to rupees 9,600 divided by 8, which is equal to rupees 1,200. That's mean Saurav earned 1,200 rupees in 1 day. And to find the earning of 15 days, we are going to multiply 1200 by 15. Saurav earning in 15 days equal to rupees 1200 into 15, which is equal to 18,000 rupees. So Saurav can earn 18,000 rupees in 15 days. That's all for today. I hope this video will help you to revise chapter 6 division. Thank you so much for joining me in this video.